Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. January 28th, Tuesday. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily as usual, and let's see what we have. Okay. For the people who decided that they should be bearish here at 100k, well, bad news. We are pushing back up. Clear daily rejection here. Look at 100k. All the FUD and market bounced right back in the top of the range. Yeah. So that doesn't mean we'll push straight to all-time high, but you can see the reaction here. That's a signal itself, seeing the reaction, the rejection in the 100k. Morning, Shogun, Robert, and everyone else. Hey, people. So I hope that some of you listened to what I said yesterday morning, and I said I don't want to see people bearish here. It's a long hunting opportunity. Well, now we are $3,000, $4,000 higher. Now I don't suggest you to hunt long ideas. We can play fib pong on lower time frame and reject from 104 or here. Yeah. Let's wait to see if a 3-bar fractal bottom will form here. Clear rejection, but that doesn't mean it'll go straight up. But it's looking a bit different now. It's looking a bit more bullish. Let's see how today candle will close. Tomorrow we have a FOMC. So again, dark Maul possible, or maybe even an all-time high. Who knows? Depending what they'll say tomorrow. It's really important. FOMC, it's important every time, but this time it's a bit more important. It is the first interest rate decision under the Trump administration. Just think about it. Okay? So I don't want to see people fucking around in the leverage tomorrow. The best decision is to have your spot bags checked again. If everything is okay, if the market will pump, something nice will happen, well, your bags will pump. If a dark maul will happen, if you don't have leverage positions, you don't care. Yeah? Even if a dump will happen, your bags on altcoins, they are already oversold. So they all bounce faster, or they will not even dump. Oh, good morning, Mr. Stefan. Stefan, tell me one thing. You'll do the day trading with Stefan today? Okay, so after this live stream, 20 minutes break I think, and then Stefan will start day trading with Stefan. He has Monday high, Monday low, some things to explain you today. Yep. Okay, so range, at the top of the range we are fighting and we are holding above 100k. For the moment is bullish. Remember that 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, some people, some traders, good traders, they said, well, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, they don't know Trump too well, seems like. They should, because was president for fucking 4 years, and they should know him. Trump is different. And he started posting. He's bringing the public in. We can see a correction, yeah, anytime, any point in time you can see a bad news. You saw yesterday was a bad news. Well, it's the end. Well, it's not. People, I posted on Twitter, I reposted on Twitter yesterday. And I'll show you again that the chart. Let's find a Nix. Okay. Yeah, I posted here. People, look at this chart. This is bull market. Every time you see a 30% retracement, every time you see a dip, you buy the dip. As long as you see the market pushing and pushing and pushing, okay, you have to use a stop loss. You have to, but look at it. This is the exponential phase of the market. It's not easy to trade, especially if you are looking at the wrong people. They will say, well, it's over, this cycle is over, pack it up next time. and the market will push higher and higher. Market is illogic here. Even good traders will fail here. Really good ones will fail. Why? Because they are used to the TA to work and big retracement and market to behave with a logic. Here you have only one logic: buy the dip and hold on. Buy the dip and hold on. Every time it rips, you sell a little bit. Every time it dips, you buy a little bit if you want to trade. Yeah, I'm telling you, when it rips, you sell from what you bought at the bottom, not too short. This is the best part of the market if you know how to play it. If not, well, that's a different story. Let's go back here. We are fighting this level. I think on lower time frame here, we can go back and retest 100k once more, not to accept below, just to retest it, and then we can push higher. We'll see. What I don't like is that the market is recovering and is pushing higher before FOMC. But it's still young. Remember, we have FOMC tomorrow, not today. So that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay, so AB equals CD completed. Dump AB equals CD to the downside. Okay, we are just fucking around here. We can dump here? Yes. If Bitcoin will dump, Ethereum will probably do the same. If Ethereum will form a W here, that will give us new hopes. Look at the two candles we have. We have big rejection here in the $3,000. We have big rejection here in the $3,000. Low, higher low. Okay? So we have a low. We have a higher low. Give me some W's. Just give me some fucking W's and I know what is next. For the moment, it's just consolidating there. Like I said, I'll short to hedge my portfolio. I'll short Bitcoin, but not Ethereum. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, still at 78.6. Someone comment, well, you said every time you say, well, it's weekly chart. I'm just warning people, don't be bearish here. This will reverse at some point in time, sooner than later, and you can see exponential moves. And people who trade with me know that I manage stupid trader approach. I managed to anticipate this move. I managed to anticipate this move. Yeah? Which is not easy for a trader to anticipate moves like this. Yeah? One of these ones was even on a live stream. Yeah? Okay. But on daily and weekly chart, we should be patient. We are at 78.6. Definitely we should not think short. Don't be bearish. That's all I'm trying to say. I know the news are bad about Ethereum. That's the same idea every time. To form a bottom, you need people to be bearish for a longer period of time, so the market will consolidate and then will bounce. Okay? That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see what we have on Bitcoin dominance. Rejection from 59. I think 60% it's a strong resistance at this point. I see that rejection there, but I don't see a 3-bar fractal. I don't see any amp, so we have to wait. Let's let the market tell us what to do. Not even on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, actually, this kind of behavior is bullish. Higher highs and higher lows. Sorry. It's there. We don't have M's. So, for the moment, nothing. If I'll see a 3-bar fractal forming or an M here, well, more than happy to tell you, well, maybe everything will pump again. Altcoins are pumping, people are pumping slow and steady. You can see them forming some bottoms. Some of them, they are starting to put their nose up. They are starting to pump. People want altcoins to do 2x, 5x in one day. That moment will come, but only once every 4 fucking years. And that's the end. Until then, take advantage. Okay. That's Bitcoin dominance. We can take a look at total. Fighting, same level. Nothing new, I could say. Total 3, probably the same, yeah. It's fighting $1 trillion. And I said this could be a long period of consolidation here, but after all, I think we'll accept above and we'll push higher. Just my 2 cents. Good morning, Emmanuel. Good morning, Jade. Good morning, everyone. There are too many of you to say good morning to each and every one, because I'll use this time just to respond to good morning. So, good morning, everyone. Well, that's total 3. Look at the altcoins here. You can see, slow and steady. That's how it's starting. Slowly first. You can see on daily here. Some signs of life in the long reload zone. Maybe it's a sign. Then, maybe we took all the liquidity here, and this could be power of 3, and that could be the bottom. Maybe you want to buy some RAN here. I don't know. You know, one guy on General Part said, I'm just saying. I'll say the same. I'm just saying. Good morning, Hania. Good morning. Similar on Res. Okay, let's take a look at some of them. Monero. Monero is keeping the strength. Anyway, Peer. Similar. Trying to do something here, maybe? I don't know. Looks like a double here in the long reload zone. If we'll accept above $3 again, and if we'll accept above $3, we can see a nice run. My bags are full of Peer. Full until the top. So, people, some altcoins are pumping. Some altcoins are forming W's. You don't want to see the market going exponentially up. You want to see to form W's, to form a base, and then to pump. We are still in January, last couple of days, and then we'll start February, March, April, May. Well, you know the saying, sell in May and walk away. Maybe we'll have the same story like last cycle. Maybe not, I don't know. But we are more than ready to pump some altcoins. And indeed, some people said, well, the altcoin pump is already in, but on chain. Yeah, if you know how to play on chain, there are some coins pumping there. Is that it and everything will dump? I don't think so. I think most of the shit coins need to pump to be over. Yeah, we are in a bull market. Yeah, on chain coins are pumping and are doing 5-10x in a day. But we still have room to push higher. Imagine that. Public is coming in waves is starting to come. After you see Trump launching a meme coin, that was a signal, people. Anyway, so altcoins on higher time frame, they are looking okayish. Let's see what we did yesterday. You remember, people from premium should remember this trade. Was on 1 minute chart. 1 fucking minute. 1 minute. Let's zoom out. Zoom in, sorry. Well, I had this SFU level and I had this YAM. Stefan took the 3-bar fractal here, took the high here. He made a better risk to reward. I'm more protective, adapted the strategy to my own portfolio. And I took this YAM. Book 75% of the profit here at 3.5. And then what we have, we discussed this in the live stream. Well, swing low, swing high, long reload zone W's. You can see the double here. I had the opportunity to take 1 minute W, 3 minute W. I decided, well, nah, let's wait for a bigger time frame. And I took this level just when I accepted above that. And if you put 5 minute chart, come on, go there. You can see the W's, even on 50 minute chart. Good enough for me. And you can see the market pumped, took this high. Look left here, maybe this is a sign here that will reject a little bit from this level. Maybe if you zoom out, you'll see what that level means. But overall, made money on the downside publicly. Made money on the upside again publicly, because I said that I'll hunt long ideas in the long reload zone. Well, I don't know if we can get better than that, people. Yeah, I don't know if you can get better than that on 5 minute chart or 1 minute chart or day trading levels. Come on. Market is respecting the fib levels. Market is reacting. Our setups are working really nice. If you are a trader, that's easy peasy. If you are not a trader, well, I told you earlier what to do. Zoom out, make an investment plan, or use the last chance challenge, or use the road to financial freedom, and stay the fuck out from leverage. It's not a good time to learn. Why? Market is easy, but the emotions are high. The volatility is big, and you'll not be able to respect your strategy. Okay? By yourself, you'll destroy yourself. Why? Because you'll take a trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, and there'll be wins. And at the first stop loss, you'll move the stop loss, and you'll remove it, and you'll lose the entire account. So it's not the best time to learn because emotions are too high here. The volatility is big. People on Twitter are posting bullish things, and market could dump 30%. Just imagine you buy Bitcoin here and Bitcoin dumps 30%. And you remove the stop loss. You are out if you are with leverage or not. Just imagine. And it's possible. I showed you earlier. 30% retracement. They are a usual thing with 38, 38, 33, 38, 36. So a dip of 30%, it's possible at any point in time. Yeah, without any warning, you'll see just dropping. And if you are in leverage without stop loss, or you have a lot of positions, small position on tons of altcoins with leverage, you'll get destroyed. If you are telling me that my liquidation price it's below that level, it's impossible. When I hear that liquidation price, I'm becoming allergic. Luckily, you are on the internet, not in front of me. We on leverage, we don't fucking talk about liquidation price. I'll tell you blindly, bluntly, you are stupid if you are using liquidation price. That's the stupid thing you can do. Stop loss. If we hit the stop loss, I'll lose 1%. I'll lose 2%. Well, I have 5 trades with 2% risk from my portfolio. That means a total of 10% of my portfolio. That's the max of the max of the max you can do. If you are telling me, well, my liquidation price on that trade, it's at 2,700 on Ethereum. That's stupid, people. And the guy who said that knows what I'm talking about. I will not say it publicly. It's just asking to be liquidated and lose all the money, and then you'll have to start over again. It's not the end of the world, but it's stupid, stupid, stupid. Okay? I don't want to hear about liquidation price. I just don't want to hear about it. If you are working with leverage, you don't have to use that term. You don't have to think about it. You have stop loss. If you are using and you are thinking about liquidation price, close everything, stop, and go the fuck up on spot. You don't have any business to stay on leverage. I could guarantee you that you'll be liquidated. It's not a possibility. It's a high probability you will get liquidated. Imagine, you can see 39, 38, 40%, almost, yeah? Almost 40%. And now, imagine that you are on Bitcoin, yeah? Let's do a 30%, people. Let's do a 30%. Sorry about the rant, but it's necessary. Price range, okay? From the market, 30%, give me a 30%. There you go, 34, 38. A 38% from the market price, it's 65. The people who are using liquidation price, you think they'll still be alive if Bitcoin will hit in 2 candles, will hit 65, okay? Anyone with liquidation price is still alive? It's 38% on Bitcoin. Or 30% on Bitcoin. Imagine what Ethereum will do. Imagine what your altcoins will do. They could do 40%, they could do 50%. You think Ethereum will hit 2,700 if Bitcoin will go to this level? I think so. And that's your liquidation price. You are safe. You are not safe. So learn to do it properly. or stop. Save the money you have. I don't care how much money you lost. That's gone. It's not your money anymore. It's in CZ pocket, I don't know. BlackRock pocket. It's not yours anymore. Reset yourself and start with what you have. But do it correctly. Don't try to revenge it. Well, I'll recover the money. No, you don't recover anything. You will lose what you have. Sorry about the rant, people. Was necessary. Let's keep going. So here we can, you can see, I took some profit here just because of this high. I think Stefan is hunting a short setup here. Probably we'll do one more because you can see equal highs here, at least on this chart. So one more SFU in the London and then drop. Possible, probable. I'll let Stefan tell you that. I don't want to get on his share of the market. He's day trading today, so I'll let him talk about lower time frame. But you get the idea. Easy peasy, we can make some money. Even if you take this, let's say you take this level for a high, a swing high, and you take this level for a swing low, okay? And you put a short reload zone here. You are in the short reload zone. Yeah, 7, 8.6 is a better level. 8, 8.6 is even better. But you are in a short reload zone. I don't think it's a great idea to think long here. Okay? Well, a lot of people, Jade, they need to hear that rant because I see a lot of, in DMs, I see a lot of, and I try to tell them, well, it's not a good idea. And they're, well, I'm safe. Okay. I know what's next. That's the ugliest part because I know what's next. I was there some time ago. And I lost some money. Serious money. For Romania, serious money for any trader. That's why I'm telling you. I'm not telling stories. I heard about a trader that lost the money because, no. So, people, wake up, stop fucking around and treat market like a business. In a business, you don't risk to lose the business. You risk 5% not to be profitable, but you never risk the entire business with a stupid mistake. Okay. Some people, they are consistent, Sebastian. That's the problem. They want to be consistent, but not in the good things. And maybe they need a reminder. Okay. So here, I'm not saying to short, because it's dangerous. We are before the London opening. I think we can do one more, and then maybe we'll dump. Let's zoom out a little bit. Actually, I could stay on 5-minute chart and show you. You remember someone said about a Tao trade? I'm out from that one, but I made nice money. Look at Jupiter. Look at Jupiter. Holy Grail here could do something nice for you people. You have access if you are a premium member, if you are a VIP member. Use it. You just had an entry. Let's just paper trade this one. As an idea. Okay. When you have something like this, put the stop loss here, a little bit below this week. That will protect. Okay. And let's see if we'll reach $2. It's possible in a couple of days because they burn a lot of Jup. And they have some events. Maybe they'll correct a bit more. I'm waiting for a correction to load even more, but... And by the way, people, we have Jupiter airdrop. What you did with that coins. If you listen to us 1 year ago when you made 10 accounts and you made some volume, you should have some Jupiter. Yeah. On some accounts, I got 200 Jupiter. On some accounts, 250. Some smaller ones, 100. But if you put everything together, it's still a good amount of Jupiter. I don't need more. Just do the best thing ever and go to $10 and I'll be happy. Okay. So Jupiter is still nice. And when you see altcoins pumping, use Holy Grail. You want me to show you how to use it? I showed you multiple times, people. Multiple times. Let's open a list here and let's find Binance Futures. There you go. You do that. You look for the strongest ones and you hunt with Holy Grail. Yeah? and you hunt until you see a really nice setup, and then you play the setup. You don't need to go on the weakest ones. No, you want strength because you are hunting longs. And you look in the first 10, 20 coins and you are hunting for some entries. Some people will say, well, I don't know to use Holy Grail. Well, you don't know because you don't listen to the live streams. I didn't do a tutorial, and I think I'll stay that way. If you want to learn, join the live streams and you'll learn how to use it. It's pretty easy, simple. Yeah? So you need, this is the stop loss line and the direction line, this blue or green, or if you, depending how you set it up. And the smaller one, the slim one, is the entry point. You have the table here, and you can see, this is the small one. Look at it, entry, 1, 6. You have the level here, stop loss here. Position size without leverage, look at it. How you calculate the position size? Well, you go on settings. Go on settings and you set the amount you want to risk. This is default on $100. Well, I want to risk 1,000. I have a portfolio of 1 million, or I have 200,000. Okay. Well, look at it. The number is changing. Okay. And you trail the stop loss up behind this thick line as long as it's possible. Well, you want to make to change a bit the strategy. Well, I'll take 50% off at 2 to 1 and trade the rest. Okay. I'll take 50% off at 5 to 1 and I'll trade the rest. Okay, it's up to you. Just stay in that fucking trend as long as possible and make money. I love to see the stop loss hit on this strategy. Why? Because the stop loss will be hit deep in profit. I don't need to put a take profit. Why? Market will tell me when to get the fuck out. Binance, you can find it yourself, Jade. You can do it yourself. Why I should do it? There are tutorials out there, Jade. You just need to watch a tutorial how to export a list on TradingView, how to make a Binance list on TradingView. Okay? You have the screener here. You just go there and take the list. Yeah, select the list to have all the pairs on Binance Futures, and then Control A, copy them, put it in the list, and you have the list. There are small tutorials everywhere on YouTube, Jade, and you can make it yourself. And I suggest to learn how to do it. Well, just go on YouTube and find how to make a list with TradingView. I think we posted some of tutorials. It will take me 5 minutes to explain everything, Jade, so I don't think it's the case. But it's easy. We had a site that made the list for us, but it's not working anymore. I don't remember how it's called. And now we should use TradingView. Well, it's pretty simple. Yeah? You can see here. You can go here and you can find exchange, and you can find futures or spot, and you can select KuCoin. You can select everything. That's how I made that's exactly how I made the list here. Yeah, you can see Binance Futures. I open the list and you can see Binance Spot, KuCoin Spot, Spot Binance, and a lot of them. Easy. Use the tutorial and you'll understand. But that's how you play the strong ones. When you are playing long ideas, you don't want to, well, I look for the weakest ones. They are weak for a reason. You can play the weakest ones even if it's a beta play or echo play or something. You see Ethereum pumping and you look, well, what's pumping after Ethereum? And then you can look at the something that's weak for the moment. But if you are playing longs, play the strength, and if you are playing shorts, play the weakness. It's in your direction. Okay. So let's change this one back to day trading. Jupiter is strong, so pay attention. You can see we are getting an entry now. Stay on the trade. If you manage, for example, to take this entry Okay, if you manage to stay in the trade, put your stop loss as far away as possible from your market price, below this tick line, and trail. You think getting access on the indicator like this in a bull market where you have a trend every time you see a trend, a micro trend, could worth paying for premium membership? I think worth a lot more if you know what to do with it. Okay. If you don't like you see Sebastian saying, if you don't like 5-minute chart, well, switch to 15-minute chart. You have a daily job. Okay, I get it. Huh? You have a day job. Change on 15-minute chart. Wait for an entry on 15-minute chart. A 50-minute chart will give you. Let me see. Yeah. So let's say from Friday you had an entry. Friday you had two entries. One entry Friday, one entry Saturday. Then the next entry was Sunday. Then the next entry was still Sunday. And then you had 1, 2, 3 Sunday. And then, look at it. Now is the first entry you will get. And it's Tuesday. So if you zoom out on 50-minute chart, is more than enough to do your daily job. And from time to time, well, hour to hour, just look at the chart and see what is, how it, to move your stop loss in profit, if it's the case. So you have time. You can have excuses or you can have solutions. I think 50-minute chart is the best for the people who have a daily job. Depending, if you are working in a mine and you don't have internet, well, no. But if you are in a nice office with a phone or with a tablet on your, and you can access TradingView, you can do that. Jade, Holy Grail works from 1 minute to 4 hours. So this is Holy Grail, for example, on, let's take Bitcoin, for example, okay? Let's look at 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. You had some entries here and some profit, okay? This is consolidation on hour, you don't want to play it. But look at here, you had some entries, was a nice call. Let's use 4 hour chart. You think you can make some money with something like this? The problem is you don't have a clear uptrend on 4 hour chart. The higher the time frame, you had an uptrend, you made money. Now in the range here, don't play with Holy Grail. Because on 4 hour chart, this is a fucking range. If you put the 5-minute chart, well, something is different. You can see 5-minute chart, you made some money, but it's working. The problem is 4 hour chart is the time frame is too big for to be useful. So I'm using it from 1 minute to 1 hour, kind of. 1 hour is the max, but the sweet spot for someone that is working is 5 or 50-minute chart. Okay, let's hide the Holy Grail. You need premium or VIP access, and after you get premium, when it's premium, I'll give you access automatically. When you are joining VIP, please DM me with your username from TradingView to give you access. Okay. Solana, someone said about Solana. Let's look at Solana. Let's look at Solana on higher time frame. Where is Solana? There you go. What is here? I don't like this. Remove. We are fighting the all-time high, people, on Solana. And on daily, I don't see W's, clear W's. You can see we are kind of all the way. What you can do on Solana, on daily, starting with daily. I don't want to start on 5-minute chart. I want to start daily. This is a swing high. Okay. This is a swing low. Okay. This is a long reload zone. Yeah. You can see some confluences here. Market fight at this level over and over again. Yeah. Okay. That means I could play some setups if we'll touch 61.8 or if we'll form a W in the long reload zone. Okay. If the uptrend is so strong, we'll pump from here. We'll form a W and we'll push above a long reload zone. Why I'm saying that? Well, we just Wyckoff check yesterday in the dump this level. But I don't see the double. I'll switch to 4 hour chart. Well, there you go. That's the double. This could be power of 3. Power of 3 means They should do something like this. Accepting, retesting, that's your entry. Maybe it's a bit deep retest, and to the moon. But in general, classic is to wait here. I think we can retest once more the long reload zone here and form a double. From the top, when everyone was talking about Solana and Trump made the coin on Solana and everything, we kind of have a local top at $300. And from that point, we have lower highs and lower lows, people. So we need a power of 3 or something to form to change the structure here. If that will not happen, that means we should wait for a longer reload zone. Simple as that. Indicators. I don't see anything special for the moment on 4-hour chart. RSI below 50, a small W there. Small W on OBV, but nothing to draw my attention. Well, Solana is the best, will go to the moon. Actually, Solana had a lot of hype last couple of weeks. Maybe it's time to consolidate a bit more. Well, on a 4-hour chart about a bot, yeah, I could see a bot setup. But show me 3 higher lows if you are talking about setup. Show me 3 higher lows, people. I don't see 3 higher lows. I see only 1 on 4-hour chart. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's put a bot setup. If you are talking bot setups, that means you are from TRI. Welcome here. We enjoy people from TRI. I learned from TRI most of the things I know. At least the most important thing, how to treat market like a business. I learned from Brian. So the TA, it's easy. You can use different things, but the process, not so. If you don't know the process, you are dead in this market. Bot 1. Below 33, above 66. No? That's how Brian is saying about the bot setup. Now, let's clone this one. Cloning. This is the lower low. Let's put the second part of the bot. There you go. Okay? So, you have one low. Wait for the second, the third. 25% is your entry. You want to front run. Well, if you want to front run, find an LJ or find something else or find a small W here in this area. It's possible, but not a probable setup for the moment. You have location for the bot. Bot has multiple rules. That's the ugly thing about bot. Tons of rules. So you need market to be first below 33, above 66. Then you need 3 higher lows. Then you enter at 25%. Then you move stop to scratch at 50%. Then you start trailing at 66%. And you book the entire profit at 100%. Too fucking complicated for a guy like me. Yeah? I took that concept and I made AB equals CD setup. My way of trading. My way of AB equals CD says you have the move below 33, above 66, take the first fucking W, which we have here. So basically I have an AB equals CD on my own way. I consider I should wait a bit more to see what's happening here, but you can take this W and set a target all the way up here. The win rate will drop, but the risk reward will increase because you usually front run 25, so you'll have a 6-to-1 risk to reward. So everything started with the Brian setup, but I modified, I simplified for my taste. I don't have as much patience as Brian. And you can see, this is a 6.7 risk to reward. With 6.7 risk to reward, what should be my win rate to be profitable? Okay, what should be my win rate? If you want to play this one, wait for the retest here and enter at the retest. Okay, this scenario. If this scenario will play out, then you are ready to go. I don't play bot setups. I play my own setup. But I took the bot and I adapted to my own taste. We don't see two traders the same. So I explain you my way. Well, people, I look at Sol. Let's see, we have anything else? I don't think so. So people, I was a bit upset yesterday, and I think I'm right with this one. 1,200 people and only 165 below 200 views. Well, I love to help, but when I see low interest, it's dragging me down, and I'm not too happy when I see something like that. Yeah? From 1,200 people, only 200 people to watch the live stream. If I ask, please retweet when we are going live stream for the people to see us, even now. Yeah, even now. Let's see. 8 retweets, and I asked 1,200 people. Yeah, I don't. People, I love to help, but I also love win-win situation. So if I see low interest, well, I'll behave, and I'll probably move the entire thing on the premium and VIP side. I don't need to live stream for the public. If they are not interested, okay. I don't have a problem. Who's interested? They'll probably. It's already on premium. I know that. But let's keep it public for the moment. Maybe the interest is not here for the moment. We'll see. People, I'll not open my mouth, and I'll not do stupid things, and I'll not be a shiller, and I'll not do ugly things to have views. I'm not an influencer. Don't even suggest that, okay? We are not here to shill. We are not here to get a lot of views because our purpose here is not a lot of views. A lot of views should come from the public, for our community watching, but not that's not the target for us, because we are traders. Okay, I'm happy with what we have. If I help a guy don't lose his account, or he'll benefit from what I said, just one, it's more than enough. Okay, people, let's not stay too much in this live stream. Stefan will start in 10-20 minutes, I think. So you can go and ask Stefan tons of questions, okay? Well, Arjun, you cannot afford the VIP, you can afford the premium part. It's one coffee a day. I don't know, you can buy a coffee now with $1.2? I don't know. Jay, tell me. You can buy a coffee with $1.2? A good coffee, not I'll help everyone that is interested, Jay. Because if you split 450 to 365 days, it's exactly what you get. $1.2 a day. Yeah? And we have a live stream in the London. We have a live stream in the New York on Discord, and we are posting setups. And yeah, you are not be spoon feed on premium with all the trades, entry, stop loss, take profit. You are here to learn by yourself, and we'll help you. But $1.2 a day, come on, it's damn cheap. And I'm keeping that way. I don't want to increase the prices. Some people told me, well, everyone double the prices. So what? I don't want to do that. I want everyone to afford the premium part. VIP is something different. Stefan is putting a lot of time and effort there, day in, day out, scanning and posting, and no. VIP is something else. But premium, everyone could afford. One good trade and you can make the money. By the way, we are starting Capo 1 and Capo 2 next week. 2 places left for Capo 1 and 4 places left for Capo 2. It's up to you. Who will pay first will get the place. Simple as that. Yeah. A lot of people ask me, a lot of people, they are in the discussion phase. I don't like to pressure them. So I send everyone a message and I'm waiting. Who will pay first will book the place. When I'll have 20 places booked, I'll just send a message everywhere that we don't have more room. That's simple. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Sorry about the rants. Someone said, well, we love your rants. Well, they are necessary things we need to say, some people to wake up. But actually, I want to talk setups. I want to talk, I don't know, levels. Rants are rants. And that's it. Yeah, and be consistent. That's the key one. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Let's give Stefan a chance to show us that is better than his teacher. Yeah, and he's becoming better, and I love that. That's why I decided that he's my favorite student and I teach him, and now I could benefit from him. So he's paying now for the education he didn't pay at the beginning. But he's a nice payment. He doesn't pay any amount, and I'm making a lot of money taking his calls. Not all of them. It's impossible. I have my own plan, but from time to time, Stefan is sharper and is paying attention to lower time frame and is just spoon feeding me with trades. So he's paying 100 times more than you for Kappa 1. Okay, see you people. See you in the Stefan live stream or tomorrow the same video. Bye bye.